So welcome to WBP Star. So today we're going to cook a John Dory, and the John Dory is wrapped in a grape leaves, salted grape leaves, for about 3 to 4 days. And the point is to salt it the meat of the fish, of course, and also to make sure that the skin stick to the leaves when we peel it, because we're going to peel it after. So first we're going to cook it in a beurre meunière. So 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes in the oven, of course, at 180 degrees. And then after that, it will rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're finishing the sauce à la minute. Il faudrait quand même qu'on fasse peut-être une petite crème de courgette, comme ça, ce serait... Okay, so now the fish is cooked. We're going to take it out, and as you can see, it's been cooked on the two sides, and now we're leaving it for rest for about 10 minutes on the grill. And we use this, of course, to make the sauce. We deglaze it with the stock made with the head and the skin of the fish. Now we're going to warm up 2 more plates, just to put the fillet. The outside of the fillet will be hot, and the inside will be a little bit warm. So we need to warm the plate to make sure that the temperature is the same. Huh? So we warm up 2 plates. And you have to feel the temperature of the plate. Huh? If your hand, if it's too hot for your hand, it's too hot for the fish. Don't worry. Be careful to this. Huh? Okay. So now, this is the trick. We're not going to take out all the string and everything, but you will see. So this is the base also of the sauce. So this is how we deglazed the cooking pan with the juice made with the head and the skin. And then we're going to cut here, all around, just to make sure that it's easy to remove. And inside also, and I will show you some trick inside, you will see. And then here again. So now we can start to peel the fish. And now you will see the technique of, see the skin of the John Dory, and then here, see, and if it's nicely marinated, skin is coming off at the same time as the grape leaves. Okay, and then we are going to put this skin, this nice skin, we deglaze the sauce. So that's going here, and then we start to, so you see we have a hot plate, salted butter, and then never put the fish on a dry plate. Huh? So you have to paint the plate with the butter. And of course, you have to seasoning the plate. No pepper. And then in the John Dory, you have 3 fillets, 2 big, 1 small. It's very easy, just follow the nature, just follow the line. And then you take this out properly, and you see inside how it is. It's perfectly cooked, it's soft. See, it's not dry at all. And we make sure it's clean outside, and then we put it and we don't move it up on the plate. And then the rest of the fillet here, start by the head, pushing forward, separate the fillet, and then it goes very, very, very easy. And you see, it's as you can see there, it's not overcooked. It's very moisture. And then the small one, you have first to cut the part of the stomach, of course. Take it out, it's not good. And take this little triangle fillet here, which is the last one. Okay, this is for the first part. And as you can see, when we wrap the fish, we put a lot of leaves inside this part of the fish, where the blood is, just to make sure for the conservation, that the blood, which is still inside the fish, doesn't give a bad taste or a metal taste. It's very important. And then we flip the fish, and then we start again. And we don't use this part because it would be too strong. And then we start again. The biggest fillet here, just push here and there. And you have, so we can check inside, and you see there is no thermometer. You have to do this by feeling, because all the size and all the fish are of course different. So you push forward, and then you get the other main fillet here. See, still a lot of moisture inside. Then on the plate. So as we boil the leaves and the skin together in the part we deglazed, we're going to pass it to a strainer now, very thin, so you'll see what is inside. See, that's an important part of the recipe, and then press, of course. See? And then you have your first part of the sauce, and the second part is here, where we warm up the king crab. It's not really a sauce, it's a pure juice of the juice which is inside the head of the king crab when he's alive. So you can only make this sauce if you have a live king crab. Vin jaune and the inside of the head of the king crab. And then we make half of it inside, and then you have your sauce. So juicy, natural flavor, tasty, strong, fresh butter on the top of the fish. Just to make sure you don't dry the fish. So, asparagus, fresh morel, and then, so it's a six course menu, so we're only taking this part of the fillet. And then the crab, which is been warmed in his own sauce. Où est la cuillère qu'il y avait dedans? Saucière?
Yeah.
And then the fresh vegetable just cooked also à la minute. Caviar.
Yeah, sure.
Ici l'assiette. Okay, and then just to finish the seasoning the king crab, we put just a bit of caviar on the top. So it's nice also for the, instead of using salt, you can use also caviar to seasoning the dish. And then just a drop of sauce, and the rest will be put at the table.